All right, this will be our last example, and it's going to be a word problem. Our last example is going to be a word problem. So, if the number of grains of sand, if the number of grains of sand on Earth, if the number of grains of sand on Earth is 7.5 times 10 to the 18th, is 7.5 times 10 to the 18th, and the number of stars roughly is 1 times 10 to the 24th, is 1 times 10 to the 24th, how many times greater is the number of stars in the universe? To number of grains of sand. Okay, so that means that number of stars is bigger. That means that number of stars is bigger. So if we are talking about our fraction or whatever you want to call it, it would be 1 times 10 to the 24th, 1 times 10 to the 24th over 7.5 times 10 to the 18th. Over 7.5 times 10 to the 18th. With our coefficients, we are going to divide. With our coefficients, we are going to divide. So we are doing 1 divided by 7.5. We are doing 1 divided by 7.5, and we are getting 0.13 with the 3 repeating. We are getting 0.13 with the 3 repeating. This is going to be times 10. With our exponents, we are just subtracting. So 24 subtracted 18. 24 minus 18 is 6. 24 minus 18 is 6. This is not in scientific notation. So I put the decimal where I want it to be. From here to where it is now. I need to go left 1, so that's a minus 1. I need to go left 1, so that's a minus 1. So my final answer is 1.3 repeating times 10 to the 5th. Times 10 to the 5th. Times 10 to the 5th. That is my final answer on that one.